Hello everyone, I'm Roger Herring. I am the investor's accountant. Hey, welcome to my home office. So I've been getting a lot of questions lately about what exactly is President Trump's tax proposal. So I thought I would give you the 100% truth as we know it right now. Okay, so here we go. Here's the deal. There is no bill yet. We have nothing in writing. We have what the talking heads have proposed. That's it. There's no bill yet. So that means the proposal is very much up in the air. So let's talk about the things that we have heard and see, are they plausible? The latest thing that's come out, and I get all this, it's like I heard some secretary say, or Secretary of the Treasury or whatever, say that people that make less than $150,000 a year would pay no taxes. Well, that's a family that makes $150,000 or less per year. It's been mentioned a couple of times, but there's nothing that was really a plank in his platform. Yeah, so I don't know how real that one is. We'll have to see when they actually put this thing to paper. Now, the second thing that everybody hears and they want to know about is tips. Yep, tips, Social Security, overtime. He wants to waive all of the taxes associated with that. Now, here comes the question. Are we waiving the income tax? Are we waiving the payroll tax? Or are we waiving both? He said no tax. That sounds like we're waiving both, but who knows? We'll find out once again when they put it on paper. Okay? For the business owners out there in the world, okay, there's a great proposal that's going to restore all of the tax credits from Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017. So the tax code that we've had in place 2018 forward, where he wants to make that permanent. That means the permanent tax brackets with a max of 37%, but most people pay way lower than that. Okay? But here's the most important part of that. Bonus depreciation will be restored back to 100%. He wants full expensing of equipment. That's what bonus depreciation does. And he said in his address to Congress that he wants the bonus depreciation to be retroactive to January 1, 2025. Now, we were hoping that it would be retroactive to January 1, 2023, because that's what the bipartisan bill last year that Chuck Schumer killed in the Senate was going to do. Okay, there is a chance, but we don't know yet. We're going to have to wait and see. Now, if you are a real estate investor or you are in construction or domestic production, this last thing I'm going to talk about should be of real interest to you. Okay, first off, Donald Trump wants to drop the C Corp rate down to a flat 20%. Right now, it's at 21%. Okay, but he wants to drop it 1% to a flat 20%. But if you're involved in domestic production, meaning you produce items in the United States, he wants you to have a 15% flat federal tax bracket. That's right, 15%. And depending on how this law is written, it could include construction companies, it could include real estate investors that do rehab and flip. That would be a big boom. There was a time that the first $50,000 in the C Corp was taxed at 15%. That's not what this is proposing. This is everything that falls under domestic production will be taxed at 15%. We'll have to see what happens. I'm keeping my eyes on it. When I know something, I'll be happy to share it with you. Till the next time, gang, Roger out.